Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club. Myself Chetan Saini and I am a student of NIT Agartala. Today we are here to solve a problem from recent contest of CodeChef, that is Starters 70, and the problem is minimum distance between ones. So yeah, let's see the problem. Chef has a binary string as of size n. Chef can perform the following operation on the string. The operation is select any substring of size 3 from that string and reverse it. Now our task is to find the minimum distance between any two ones chef can achieve by applying the above operation any number of times. So yeah, there are some notes that distance between any two characters will be absolute value of I minus j, and this will be guaranteed that string contains at least two occurrence of one, and yeah, that is all about substring. So let's understand it. First of all, what chef is saying that he can apply a operation like, if there is a substring like a b c, then he will reverse it. Then reverse string of this will be like cba. Now can you figure out that b is also still on its place? Only a and c are swapped. A and c are swapped. B is still on its place. If we talk for like a string like a b c d e f g and h. Now just tell me that if I apply operation on it, then this will be like cba. This is still same. Then I apply operation of ade, like this is still like this, of gh. Then I apply operation of c ade, then this will be like e d and a. This is of gh. Then if I apply operation on a of g, this will be g of a and h. Did you get that a has come on first person, third person, fifth person and seventh person? So the main key of this problem is that if we make a set of all odd indices, then all elements on these indices are interchangeable. Means we can make any odd indices element on any other odd index. If a is here, then if a is on odd index, then we can put it on any odd index. Okay, and same for even. If like h is here, then I can put h on f also, on d also, on b also. So if we talk for binary string like this one, then like here the minimum distance is already 1. So if I said that there are some 1 on odd indexes and there are some 1 on even indexes also, maybe they are far, but we know that we can make a operation from that. We can interchange the element on odd indexes. So if just think that if one is here and another one is here, this is on odd indexes, this is on even indexes, so this will be an even index, and by this operation I can change index of this one from this to this. Means I can put 1 to here, and because of this the minimum distance will be 1 for these two one. Means if there are 1 on odd indexes and even indexes on both, then minimum distance will be 1. But if there are 1 on only odd indexes, there are no 1 on even indexes, then what we can do? That just think that this is 1 here, this is 1 is here, then this is also on odd, this is also on odd. Then I cannot take this 1 to this even person, but I can put this one to this odd index from some operations. this one will be here, and the minimum distance will be here 2. And same in case of even. So what I will do, if there are one on odd and even on both, then I will print 1, and else I will print 2. This is the simple code for this problem. Let's see the code. Okay, here what I am doing, initially I am having two variables, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. If I%2, that means that is on. If we talk for 0 based index, then this is pointing out that if 1 is on, if there is element is 1 and that is on odd index. What is this saying? If the element is 1 and that is on even index. If anywhere x and y both are increased from 0, then we will print 0 1. That means there are some 1 for on odd index and there are some 1 for even index also. And if anyone is 0, then we will print 2. So that's a simple code for this problem. I hope you understand this, and see you in the next problem. Till then, happy coding.